What's the meaning of arrowroot? Arrowroot. Arrowroot.
Arrowroot. Arrowroot. Arrowroot is a starchy substance derived from the root of a tropical plant. It is commonly used as a thickening agent in cooking and baking, especially in gluten-free and paleo diets. Arrowroot powder is easily digestible and does not alter the taste of foods. It also has health benefits such as improving digestion and boosting immunity. Additionally, arrowroot can be used as a natural remedy for various ailments like diarrhea and stomach problems. Overall, arrowroot is a versatile and healthy ingredient that can enhance the taste and nutritional value of dishes.